These vehicles are made to send not only Indian satellites but also foreign satellites. ISRO or Indian Space Research Organization is the national space agency of Republic of India. How INCOSPAR became ISRO, what are the special achievements of ISRO and what are the next missions of ISRO? Please watch the video till the end. We may know some unknown facts about ISRO. In the year 1957, after the successful launch of the Sputnik 1, which was the first artificial satellite on low Earth orbit, the government of India also decided to go to space in the year 1962. So Jawaharlal Nehru, the then Prime Minister, with scientist Vikram Sarabhai, who is also known as the father of Indian space program, established a committee that is known as INCOSPAR, or Indian National Committee for Space Research, under the Department of Atomic Energy. Then the committee established TALS or Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station for Upper Atmospheric Research. In the year 1969, INCOSPAR became ISRO, but till then there was no separate department for space. And in the year 1972, the government of India had set up a space commission and a new department for space and bring ISRO under that department, which reports directly to the Prime Minister of India. Now we will see some special achievements of ISRO. Aryabhatta was the first satellite built by ISRO, which was named after the great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta, who discovered the approximate value of pi. But at that time ISRO didn't have any launching capacity, so they launched Aryabhatta with the help of Soviet Union. And Rohini became the first Indian-made satellite which was launched by the Indian-made vehicle SLV-3. Gradually, ISRO developed PSLV or Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle and GSLV or Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. These vehicles are used not only to send Indian satellites but also the satellites of foreign countries. Till now, these vehicles have sent 342 foreign satellites of 36 countries, and other countries used to prefer this vehicle because it is so much cost efficient and capable of high payloads. Using PSLV, ISRO launched Chandrayaan-1, which discovered lunar water in the form of ice. And on 5th November 2013, it launched Mars Orbiter Mission or MOM. That makes India first nation to succeed on its first attempt to Mars, and India became the first country of Asia to go to Mars orbit. ISRO also launched IRNSS or the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, which operates as NAVIC, an autonomous regional satellite that provides real-time positioning and timing services, which is a little bit better than GPS. ISRO has its headquarters in Bangalore, and the main research and development center of ISRO is VSSC or Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, situated in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, and the main launching station of ISRO is Satish Dhawan Space Center, situated in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. And Kailashavati Shivan or K. Shivan is the current director of ISRO. Now let's see some of the future missions of ISRO, and don't worry about the information, you will get all the informations in a structured form at the end of the video. Here are some of the next missions of ISRO, and all the years here are expected. So ISRO will launch Chandrayaan-3 to attempt soft landing on moon surface. Gaganyaan is an orbital vehicle intended to send humans on Earth's orbit. Aditya L1 is the first Indian mission to study solar corona. NISAR is a joint project of NASA and ISRO to be used for remote sensing. Mongolian 2 is India's second interplanetary mission planned for launch to Mars. And Shukrayaan 1, it's an orbiter to Venus. It will study the atmosphere of Venus. As we all know, Venus is the twin sister of Earth. Now let's summarize the video and see what we have learned from the video. The government of India established INCOSPAR, which established TALS for Upper Atmospheric Research, and INCOSPAR became ISRO in the year 1969. And the separate department for space was established in the year 1972. Aryabhatta was the first satellite developed by ISRO but launched by Soviet Union. And Rohini was the first satellite which was both made and launched by ISRO. And gradually ISRO developed PSLV and GSLV, which are very cost efficient and are used not only to send Indian satellites but also the satellites from foreign countries. Chandrayaan-1 was the first moon mission of India which discovered lunar water in the form of ice, and Mars Orbiter mission makes India first country to successfully launch Mars mission in its first attempt. And India is also become the first nation of Asia to go to Mars. And IRNSS, the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, which operates under the name of NAVIC. The headquarters of ISRO is in Bangalore, and the main research center of ISRO is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, and the main launch pad of ISRO is Satish Dhawan Space Center. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you think you get a little information about ISRO, then please like the video. Let me know in the comment section what are the other topics you would like to see, and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Share with your friends. Thank you so much.